So yesterday we learned about the diagonals of a parallelogram, and we learned that the diagonals are bisected. That means this piece equals this piece, and that piece equals that piece, okay? So when I get a problem, let's do number one together. We have UTVW, and it says that VT is 38 and QT is 4x minus 1. So Q is right here, okay? So I need you to put the information on the picture so you don't make silly mistakes. What is 38 divided by 2? It's 19. So each one of these are 19 if the diagonals bisect each other. Does everybody understand that if the whole thing is 38, each piece is 19? Then put that information on the picture. And now you have that QT is 4x minus 1. So all you're going to do is make 4x minus 1 equal to 19. 4x equals 20. X equals 5. And on this problem, they just want you to find x. You found x. You didn't have to plug it back in. If they want you to find SUV, you just go from S to U to V. So it's this green angle right in here. Okay? So what do I know about the angles, the consecutive angles of a parallelogram? What do I know about the consecutive angles of a parallelogram? They're what? In the parallelogram, if I were to draw it without the diagonal, this angle here and this angle here add up to 180, right? But this one is split in two. So in order to get the right answer, you have to say 9x minus 9 plus 40 plus 4x plus 6 equals 180. Now we're just going to clean up this. So it's 13x, and then 46 minus 9 is 37, plus 37 equals 180. Okay? And then when you do 13x equals, what's 180 minus 37? 143. When you divide by 13? 11. So x equals 11. But that's just the x. That's not the answer. They want you to find the measurement of this guy right here. So we have to do 4 times 11 plus 6, which is 50 degrees. Everybody understand that?